Hello. Okay, another video about the Uniform 3D app. So I try to import a texture for the UV map. So we have to see a few things here. So I tested a few things. So at the moment I exported a OBJ without textures. But I show you the other thing here. So I go a step back here and I delete this one and this one. Okay, so I select GLTF all and texture is active. Export GLTF. So I save it here. Okay, let's start here with a uniform app. So the outliner, I clear everything, I delete all the things here, delete. So now I press here the small plus icon and try to texture paint mesh import here this thing, and here I choose my GLB file, GLTF, so this one. So here's an error, it doesn't work. So, and back to Nomad Sculpt. So here for the baking things here, so I baked in the last video with 512 pixels. So here the resolution is now 1024 and I baked it with this resolution here. So it has something to do here with here I showed in the other video the layer stack thing. So add a layer, and here is a import color texture thing here. And so, sorry, I'm in the wrong folder. And here this one. And there is something here, I don't know it anymore. So there was something somewhere, a setting here. I couldn't see it anymore. Here was something with 1024, and so polymesh detail. You see here at the bottom here is my object inspector, and so the texture set here is 1 pixel. I'm not sure here to set this here resolution to, I don't get it. This is a really hard nut to, is it possible to type in here? You have to use the slider to find exact, no, this is this resolution. So this is really crazy. Yeah, back to Nomad Sculpt. So here I try to export here as OBJ. I try to export it with as OBJ. Save. So I replace this file, and here in uniform I try to import it now. also error. So without textures. This one. Okay, this one works. So the next thing is the layer stack. Color texture. I need this one. Yeah, and this one works. So yeah, what should I say? So at the moment the export worked only so without texture export, and yeah, so as obj gltf no chance, and I think the the texture resolution here is important, 1024. Here this resolution must fit, and the other thing here is here the layer stack here to add a layer from the layer generators here, so this import color texture thing, and so it has to be the same 1024 resolution. So but I don't know where the settings are, because here is now texture set 1024 and it seems correct, but I don't know how yeah, what to do with it. Okay, that's it for this video. Yeah, maybe in future updates this works better, but yes, that's it. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.